Hello everybody, here I'm just teaching you some more things in PHP. So I'm just opening the Notepad++, and that is just some old work. Obviously you already knew about the conditional operator, which is actually the equal to operator. Here I'm just using some other things. Now one thing more, what if I just make the some more variables here, like the var3 and the value I'm putting as in a string. For example, I'm just typing my name, Shazib, or some Shazib. That's perfect. And here I'm just typing another variable. And here I'm just typing var4, and the value should be what I should type here. Acer. Okay, my LCD actually is made by Acer, so I'm just typing it. No matter here. What the thing I just want to do is the var3 and var4. Let us save it and go to the browser back. Refresh it. We're getting nothing. It means that Shazib and Acer are not matching. Obviously, Acer is a big company and Shazib is a little teacher. By the way, the thing is that the text is not matching. Obviously, we can also check and compare the strings as well. So what if I just type Shazib again here? Shazib. Okay, well, in simple Urdu, in Pakistani language, my name is Shahzeb, not Shazib, but in American accent, in actually the Eastern accent or Western accents, I have to say Shazib. Now this is 5 is equal to 5. I don't know why the 5 is visible. There should be var3 and var4. Obviously the var3 and var4 is equal to each other. Shazib is equal to Shazib. Okay, no problem. There isn't any problem of accent as well. What I'm gonna do is, so here I got the perfect thing. The other thing is, now I am just typing 5 and here I'm just typing 6. The thing is that the both, or I think I should make some more variables instead of them. Now here I'm just going to type some more thing. var5 is equals to 5. Okay, perfect. Now the var6 should be 6. No problem. The thing is that I'm just checking and comparing them. var5 equal to var6. So now what will happen? Here I'm just typing var5 and var6. The new thing is actually I'm just using some strings. Obviously, as you know that we can plus and minus and multiply the simple integers and whole number, decimals, or floating points or whatever, but we cannot multiply or plus, and actually we can't apply any type of arithmetical operations with the simple strings. So what will happen here? Obviously when I just refresh it, I'm getting nothing, and actually the comparing operators, the conditional operators, can work and actually can compare the text or actually the strings as well. The 5 is not equal to 6, obviously. However, it is in a string. Obviously this is not in the condition to get any plus value or any minus value, but obviously it can be compared. But what if I just type 5? Now let's just go to the browser and refresh it. Now 5 is equals to 5. It means we are getting the result. But the thing is that if I just simply change the data type, I'm just typing 6. Okay, now the data type of 5 is a string and the data type of 6 is not a string. Actually that is an integer. I'm just refreshing it. Now again I'm getting nothing. I'm just typing 5. Now the value of var5 is 5 and the value of var6 is integer 6. Oh sorry, integers 5. Now I'm just going to the browser and refreshing it. Now 5 is equals to 5. The both sides has 5. It means the var6 and var5. So the thing is that this is comparing that the value are same, but actually this is not checking that the data type is also same or no. So if you just want to check the data type as well, so let's just put some more things. The strict is equals to, that means if you just put 3 equal signs, okay, if you just put 3 equal signs, it will check and compare the data and the data type as well. So now if I just save it and go to the browser by refreshing it, now I'm getting nothing, just because 5 is equals to var 5 is equals to is not equal to var 6. Just why? Just because this is 5 and this is 5, but the value, the data type of both are different. Okay, this is a string and this is the simple integer. So if I just put 3 equal signs, it will get the data type as well, and if you just put 2, it will only check the data, not the data type. So what if I just choose same data type and use the 3 equal signs? Everything is fine actually. It will show the same result like we just did in the with the 2 equal signs. But what's new? It is just strict. Obviously it will check the data type as well. If the data type won't match, it won't give you the result. I hope you understood how to do this. Now some more things. If the thing is that I'm just adding some BORs here, that is really important because this thing can mess up all the things. So now here I'm just typing if, and I'm just putting here in this var 5 or whatever, var 5 equal to var 6. Perfect. Here the echo, what I just want to get as the echo, I'm just copying all the echo statements and pasting here, but is not equal to. The thing is that if you just want to know that var 5, or actually you just want to get the result on the base of the false statement, or the false result actually, when the var 5 and var 6 won't have the same result or the same data type, now we will get this echo result, or actually this statement, this if statement. So what is the sign? Just simply remove the first equal sign and just put the exclamatory sign. Okay, the exclamatory sign and the equal sign actually becomes the not equal sign. Okay, now obviously what we have to do, and actually what if needs to do, a true or a false statement. Okay, when inside these parentheses the if got the false result, or actually false, obviously the false result, then it won't show these curly braces. Okay, but if this if get the true result, it will show these brackets, and obviously the var 5 and var 6 are not matching. Actually they're matching. So now I'm just removing this, changing this something. Okay, now that is 5 and that is 4. Okay, that is 5 and this is 4. So the thing is that actually the var 5 and var 6 is not matching and not equal to, and according to this operator the condition is true. Obviously we just said that the var 5 and var 6 should not be equal to, not equal to. Okay, so that's why this echo will be shown in the browser. Just refresh it now. 5 is not equal to 4. Okay, that is perfect. I hope you understood the not equal to sign. And now obviously if I just put 2 equal signs and 1 exclamatory sign, now this becomes the strict with data types not equal to sign operator. Here if I just type 4, and actually I'm just doing the same thing and saving it and obviously refreshing it. Now I'm getting the result as well. Obviously now this statement is true. Obviously by the data type and by the values it is not same. If I just type 5 and I'm just saving it, going to the browser and refreshing it, now it's still 5 is not equal to 5. And why this statement is showing here in the browser? Just because the data type of this 5 and this 5 is different. Okay, by restricting we are just getting the data types as well. So I hope you understood this as well. There are some more things on the conditional operators we will learn in next class. Goodbye and stay tuned.